Hey, welcome everyone to another video, and in today's video we're going to talk about digital marketing and how you as a digital marketing beginner can understand the fundamentals to get started the right way and see success much faster. I've been in marketing for the past 5 years and I've tried about everything, and today I have a pretty good idea of what works and what doesn't. And this is where most people get it confused. Digital marketing is simply an action, the action of selling or promoting a product or a service. My point is, if you don't have a product or a service, you can't do digital marketing. Again, digital marketing is simply an action. Believe it or not, I have to say this because most people think that digital marketing is a business opportunity or a way to make money online. Again, the reality is that marketing is only a method of promoting a product or a service online. And those services, those methods include social media, content creation, paid advertising, professional video marketing, copywriting, sales funnel building, blogging, email marketing, client prospecting, just to name a few. Here's a simple example of how marketing works. Let's say you are into fitness and you have a weight loss product. Again, this is just an example. It could be used with any industry, with any product. You use digital marketing as a way to promote and to sell your weight loss product. And the way to do that is by doing a marketing strategy such as social media content. You create social media content around your product, and by doing so, your followers on Instagram will engage with you and eventually purchase your weight loss product. Well, congratulations. You just sold your product online using Instagram content as your marketing strategy. That's it. That's basically what marketing is. Essentially, it's using a strategy like one of the ones I mentioned before to sell your products online. So the question you should be asking yourself is, one, what product or service do I want to promote online? And two, what is the best digital marketing strategy to promote this product or service? And finally, three, what skills should I learn next that will help me scale my business? And here's my advice to you. Although digital marketing is always changing, it's always evolving, the principles of marketing, the fundamentals will always stay the same. And if you know the fundamentals of marketing, it doesn't matter what product or service you promote, you're always going to find a strategy that works for that product and that audience. If you know the fundamentals, you will have a good base to work with, making your job much easier and your results much faster. So here are the fundamentals that, in my opinion, you should know and you should master right away. Number one is identifying your target audience. This is extremely important because without having your audience in mind, you're not going to be able to do anything else. And number two is crafting the right message to the right audience. Your job is influencing people into making a purchasing decision. The only way for you to do that is knowing everything there is to know about your audience. And once you do, craft a clear message on why they need your product. In other words, you're going to use your audience's goals and fears and pain points to craft a message to sell your product as the solution that they're looking for. I actually have a great video on my channel that explains all of these fundamentals, so if you're interested, just click on the card or the link in the description. And also, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more marketing and life-changing content. That being said, let's get on with the video. So up until this point, we've talked about digital marketing, like what is digital marketing, what are the fundamentals of marketing, what you should learn first. Again, this is a video for beginners. Now, some of you guys may be asking yourselves, what if I don't have a product? I've gotten into digital marketing because I've heard it's a good opportunity, you can make money with it, but I don't have a product, I don't have a business. So what is the solution for you? Well, if you want to make money online, but you don't have a product or a service yet, you can always start the best business in the world, in my opinion, which is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing requires very little money to get started. You don't need to spend any money on rent or employees. You don't have to worry about support, refunds, or legal stuff. Essentially, in affiliate marketing, you are promoting other people's products and services and earning a commission on every sale that you make. So just to recap, if you have a product or a service, great, you are halfway there, because now you only need to use marketing to make more sales, attract clients, run traffic, and all of that good stuff, which you can learn on my YouTube channel. If you don't have a product, I strongly recommend starting affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the way to go. Trust me, I've paid over $40 million in affiliate commissions. I'm not talking about my results. I don't like showing the cars that I drive or where I live, how much money I make. In fact, I've showed a video recently of my JVZoo account, which I've made $1.2 million in it. So it's real, it's working. But I like to talk about other people's results, the people working with me. And if that's your case, you don't have a product or service, that's okay. You can promote my products. You can use my affiliate system where everything's ready. I've put millions online to create this whole system and have the whole team working for you. You simply need to sell. And I have an affiliate training, which I've talked to my top 10 affiliates. These are affiliates making millions online. And I've created a training for you, sharing their strategies, their secrets on how they've made millions online with my affiliate program, and it's now available for you. So again, if you want to make money online, this is the way to go. Listen, I've done an amazing promotion, so click the link in the description and check it out. It's 15 lessons. They're straight to the point. I share with you their secrets, their strategies, their funnels, their blueprints, everything that you need to know to be successful online. Like, there's no BS. This is what's so great about it. You can get started today and finish it today and start applying those strategies today. Guys, that being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.